Good morning, guys. Thanks for joining in. So I can focus on my other. So I can focus on. How would I word that? So I can focus on
bigger projects.
So I can focus on bigger projects of detailing.
Should I stop recording or?
No, it's fine. I just wanted to verify.
Okay.
So here we have the tire tracks. Right there. Right there. Right there. Some here. Some big ones up here. And here. This is very common. What happens is the brake dust is the detailer sprays what cleaner on it and then sprays down. And the brake dust goes in. Go. Hey guys, welcome this morning on YouTube or there's just so many things that you're not going to learn on the University of YouTube. You're not. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. With that said, let me show you what's going on.
Stop it?
Or you can keep it rolling.
Okay.
And zoom in. Here we have a tire tread mark. We've got the big black mark that drains down from it. Here we have another one. Here we have another one. And I can tell you exactly what happened is the wheel wasn't clean here. It was just positioned here momentarily. The wheel was actually clean here because you have all the runoff that goes down the driveway. Just like over here, we have the tire tread, and then we've got all the runoff that goes down the driveway. They both in waterless, meaning he's not using a whole bunch of water. He's not using a pressure washer, because if he now, one of the things that I've been working virtually a lot of the videos, how do I word this? With that said,
We're behind you.
With that said, let's get started on that part. What about behind me?
The vinegar.
Yeah. Here.
We gotta just point the camera down towards the yeah.
Yeah, so what we'll do is are you gonna move yours at all?
Yeah, well, I don't know where you're gonna. First, tell me where you're gonna put it at.
Oh, I'm gonna show that stain over right.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Then I'm just gonna do this.
What it's gonna do now, it's actually gonna dilute my vinegar to a degree. Washer. A lot of guys would naturally default to a pressure washer. The problem with a pressure washer is that it's intense, directed. There's always that word I'm looking for.
Yeah.
When you something that's really focused. Okay. The problem with a pressure washer is that you have this very intense, focused pressure of water, and we have success, folks. So I'm going to finish up, and then we'll come back. We'll do a little more talking. Go, yeah.
Did you? There's not gonna be any sound here. Did you want me to get in there and help you, or do you want to stay away from the video completely?
No, I just
Okay.
Your thing's on, right? Your
Yeah, my mic.
yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to my house, guys. Now I'm with Shawn. He helps me out because that's the easy. Excuse me. You can edit this out.
Yeah.
I've got this replacement. His name's Shawn. In fact, what's your website address?
BlueTechMobileDetailing.com, and that's tech with TEK.
Yes, so tech is not spelled grammatically correct.
Yeah.
It's spelled what you might call phonetically. Is that the right word? I mean, the way it sounds, like
Yes.
tech,
Yes.
T-E-K.
Yes.
Mobile, no. Blue Tech Mobile Detailing. So, detailing in a way that, see, now suddenly I've forgotten. Detailing in a way that, gosh, what did I say earlier? It was in a way that, oh, okay. What I wanted Shawn to come in is, okay, cut that last part out. Go ahead and turn it on.
It's on.
Oh, it is on.
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, is yours recording? Is yours recording too? So mine and yours is recording.
Okay, cool. Okay. Haley, ditch out that okay. I'm tired of saying okay. I got to remember to quit saying okay and so. So, car windows. What I want to do is I want to break the car into two parts. The front windshield, keep it as a separate entity, and the rest of the windows is a separate entity. Time to move.
Yep. Cool. You position where you want it first, and then I will put mine where you want it.
Will you see if I'm in the shot?
Yes.
Like my head, like right here.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me when I can start talking.
Go.
What are those two products? He told me about this trick when it comes to cleaning windows. See that? I'm just flipping off the camera.
Yeah.
That's accidental. Take no offense, folks. The other part of the secret sauce is nothing. What a lot of people don't realize is just structure to the cloth so that it rolls up on you less frequently rather than more frequently. That's my go-to cloth when it comes to windows. Okay, I do not like, I'm being too long-winded. It's so frustrating.
Well, you gotta keep it short.
I know, and that's where I do believe that I have found the magic sauce. Let me switch angles.
Okay.
Will you just look and see if
Yep.
my face is in it?
Yep. Do you want the windshield to appear too?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Then it's still recording. Yours is still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah, you're good.
Okay. The second product. Showed the claws in my thing.
It's fine. Yeah.
Now for this demonstration, we got a healthy layer of wind going on. For this demonstration, now just to clarify, this change angles. Now we can go to. Now I forgot what. Oh. This is how it works. Steps.
Back here.
Okay, my mic should pick it up. And I will wrap it up there, folks. But don't forget, pay it forward. How do you pay it forward? You pay it forward to me and the people that come in after you. How do you pay it forward? Don't forget to pay it forward, folks. What do I mean by that? Well, pay it forward to me, as well as the viewers that are going to come in after the fact. So what you do is you give it a thumbs up if you like what you see. Leave me a comment. And by the way, if you want to subscribe to my channel, by all means, subscribe. And when you do it, you'll see a little icon of a bell. If you click on that bell,
after you subscribe, you will get alerts that you will be alerted to when I post a new video.